Well, it's been a wow Wednesday yet again for equity markets. Look what the brute force of liquidity can do. We've managed to close comfortably above the 13,500. As sweet as the ring of that level sounds, hold your breath because it's not just 13,500. Now we're just 25 points away from 13,600 on the index. So on a daily basis, we've been making record highs for ourselves, and consistently you've been seeing the buy figure come in from FIIs as well. Very interesting a pattern really coming in from the markets. Not just the fact that you are seeing consistent flows from the FIIs, which by the way just about every expert that we've been chatting with on the channel seems to be indicating is going to be a continuous trend, given that for the FI fraternity, emerging markets clearly are a preferred bet, and within emerging markets, India clearly stands to garner a larger piece of the pie. That said, all the movers from the March lows, which took a backseat for the last 3 months, they're the ones which are now participating into this rally. So look at what Reliance Industries has been doing for the last 3 consecutive sessions. Today was no different. Today too, Reliance was a mover today, contributing heavily to the index move. Not just that, IT bellwethers as well making a comeback. So TCS, Infosys, both those names held out very smartly. Private banks have been holding out very well. So not just the sectoral churn, but within sectors as well, the churn is taking place. Remember, we've been telling you as to how PSU Banks have held out for the last 1 week or so. Today, PSU Banks actually saw some profit taking. So Can Bank was down about 6.5%. PNB was down about 5.25%. Some of the cement names as well were down. And on the flip side, you had the private banking names hold out very smartly. In any case, most experts seem to be believing that it was only a matter of time that private banks had to catch up, and considering they're really the leaders in the pack in any case. So Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, IndusInd Bank, they were all holding up in today's trading session. What also took a step back today was some of the cement majors. Again, remember, ever since Ultratech Cement announced that humongous capacity addition, you've been seeing a good rub-off play out on the entire cement pack. So today you had ACC as well as Abuja Cement take a bit of a step back. Now to the winners, and there were many over there, not just the names that I mentioned, but the likes of a UPL, the likes of a BPCL. You had IndusInd Bank hold out very well. L&T made a very solid move. ITC was a big mover, given the underperformance in the stock up until now. It finally has begun to move off late. So ITC was another one which was contributing to today's move. It was a great market breadth as well in favor of the advances, and not once in the trading session today did you see any signs of that abating. So PVR spurted up about almost 8%. REC held out 6%. You had Cummins hold out about 6%. IDFC First shot up about 5%. So these were all movers which were holding out very smartly. So it's a picture pretty scenario for the markets. Let's see how tomorrow pans out. Of course, there is all that optimism playing out around the COVID vaccine rollout as well, which has already taken place in the UK. That also seems to be aiding the momentum.